Good morning, YouTube. Just wanted to do a little follow-up on the Blackberries here. Just a status check, see what's been going on with these things. As you can see, all this crap is growing back in, except where the fire was. That's good. Here are some plants that have been treated. This one here is a good example. It's boiling water poured all over it. This one is one that did not get treated yet, so I just gotta clean all this stuff away from it like this. Then come back here with a bunch of water, chop it down with a machete, and let nature take its course after that. Anyway, thanks to this circle here, I can mark where it is. This plant over here, this has had boiling water poured all over it, and it's on its way out. It's not going to last long. Oh, what else is going on over here? I'm going to have to cut this stuff back again. Shit. Here's another plant that got the boiling water treatment. This thing is just a dead root ball now, which is nice. This one too, boiling water. It's DOA. Let's see, I have not had any of the plants that got treated yet have grown back, which is pretty cool. Anyway, that's the plan. I'm going to keep up with this stuff. Oh yeah, and I switched back to the nice camera here because the other one was having some kind of issues. Anyway, that's what's up. So peace out, everybody. Have a great weekend, and catch you on the flip side.